Hey, how's it going, everyone? Happy weekend. Dennis here from primetraders.com. I trust and hope everyone has had a good week. Even if you have been red, I sincerely hope that you have been focusing on growth and development. Those are the two main characteristics when it comes to trading, transitioning from a learner to a full time trader, and so forth and so forth, comes down to the main aspect of it is growth and development. So that's one thing that I'd like to share with you guys in this video. And Just like every video, I'm going to try and be a little bit specific and try to go over, some criteria that helps us at primetraders.com coach and develop traders and turn them into profitable day traders. So this video is all about trading what you see, because one of the most important attributes of a trader is the ability to very quickly change your direction from short to long, long to short. Now, this is a mental skill that is absolutely of paramount importance to any intraday trader. Today, I want to talk to you about gold. Gold wasn't on our watch list for some time, actually, and we actually added it on into our watch list. I'll make the chart as clean as possible. Um, we added it into our watch list on Wednesday. We focus a lot on intraday futures volumes to find trades that we're going to be, executing on and day trading. And I'll just show you gold here from Wednesday. So this is the 1 hour chart. What we had was price action move up, price action move down, and price action move up again. I just want to show you how we have analyzed this asset, and we we did trade the upside here. I wasn't around much from Thursday and Friday to actually trade, but I'll actually show you what we would have done. So there's actually a blog post on our site as well that goes over these charts using the trading view charts, and it actually explains the process a little bit more. The first thing comes down to, of course, analysis. We use multiple time frame analysis. Specifically, we stick to the 1 hour chart for any kind of directional analysis to find key trading levels and so forth, and patterns that could be more important. Um, but let's start with what we see here on the chart. First of all, we see that there is very heavy buying right in this area over here. So this area, and then this area over here again. Boom. These two areas. Two times gold has made massive crash movements and shot up from this area. So even though gold, this is really important, by the way, even though gold made a significant move towards the downside here, about 4,000 points, 4,100 points, and then the next time it shot down one more time, from somewhere around this area here all the way down here, 2.6k points, it very quickly reversed towards the upside, telling us that there are a lot of buyers in this area. And then you guys can see as well within this level over here, you can see that there is buying. So price action shoots down, makes a rejection candle, closes right there, pushes up. We have a fake out here with a straight pull back in, and the market goes back up. I'll give you more information on this. The first point is, of course, the key trading level, which clearly has acted over here. Now, very soon I'm going to show you the power of multiple time frame analysis. But to do that successfully, I want to actually go over this head and shoulders pattern as well over here. So price action makes a push back up, creates the head over here, creates the shoulder in this area here, and that gives us the head and shoulders pattern, right? So here we go. Clear cut head and shoulders, shoulder, push up, neckline, push down, and that's what we have here. So now we have two factors that are helping us out with this trade. But the magic happens when you come down to the 5 minute chart. So we use the 5 minute, the 1 hour, and tick charts. We actually use CTrader. This is the 5 minute chart, but if we go on tick charts, you'll see the market a little bit differently. Okay, so let's come back here. The other thing that we see right at this level, so if we had that level listed already, if you've seen those major rejections and had listed that level into your charts, the next thing you would have clearly noticed is that price action is actually forming a beautiful rounding bottom over here. You don't need much technical knowledge to actually trade successfully. You just need to know the most core aspects of this. So the market made a push, came clearly to this level, and it started completing the final part of the head and shoulders. So multiple time frame analysis helps us with that, and I'm going to show you a little bit more now when it comes to the prime trader system, and I'll show you the same chart this time in the 1 hour. We're going to zoom in and we're going to start going over things a little bit better. What we use is our custom made volume, custom made VWAP custom made ATR levels. These ATR levels actually help us out a lot. Okay, they help us identify key trading levels. So I'm just going to delete all of this here so I can prepare for the new week. Here's the exact same chart that we've seen before, just now on TradingView. We can see that price action has made a push towards the upside. Momentum is pretty much weak over here. We use the MACD, by the way, the 50 level, the 0 level, to determine bullish or bearish momentum. Volume is kicking up a lot here, and we're going to come down to the 5 minute, and I'll show you a little bit more what's going on. The criteria for a long position using the Prime Trader system is pretty simple. The ATR has dropped below price. We've got a crossover of our indicators. The VWAP is below price. Momentum is up. That's a buy. And we can ride that buy all the way till the time of this breakout of the VWAP. We can ride it to a key level such as here. We can ride it to the breakout or the crossover of the ATR stops, which crosses over here and tells us to get out of this position, and we're done with the longs. Enter here, get out here. Using multiple time frame analysis, we are actually able to determine much easier where we can enter. So the 200 tick gave an execution level here, told you to get out here, told you to get back in over here, told you to go short here. Very simple. Multiple time frame analysis is actually one of the most powerful tools when it comes to day trading. We try to use as short charts as possible to execute and manage our trades, because our mission day in, day out is actually to make a profit, and not, trade based on our predictions and so forth. So gold came into our views on Wednesday. We started adding it on Wednesday. The reason was volume was starting to increase. We started checking up the charts and more or less understanding what could be happening. Once you take all of this to another level, you'll see that price action has made a clear cut, continuation towards the downside here. There was another continuation here. Before the news, the price action was moving down. Here we have a continuation for upside. Price action came out, clear craziness over here with a kill off for all the bulls, and then price action moved back up again. But all of this can actually be taking advantage of. When we're using the short-term charts, you're actually going to be able to see this. So if I sit on the 200 tick charts, and if I go back over here, there's that move over here. You see this? So check this out. So this system, we trade what we see. Like here, right before this actual breakout, we've turned fully bearish right there. And if you follow the system fully, like to the dot, you wouldn't have been long there. You would have been short, and you would have been riding that short all the way till somewhere here. And then you would have started going long. Then there is a range, momentum's down, and then when momentum starts kicking up again, you start going with your longs. Don't want to go over too much of the system, just want to explain that trading what you see and using multiple time frame analysis has helped us a lot, and it can help you too. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. We're going to be pretty active with educational videos and trade ideas, throughout the new week. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys later.